How to record subject grades using offline. In this case, offline, we're talking about a specialized Excel spreadsheet. First, you select class, pick the subject, that is if you're recording by subject or if you're recording by students. So pick the subject. Let's assume that we pick mathematics. So instead of loading, we simply go to the site there and look for upload records, or we look for get template. This template is a specialized Excel spreadsheet your platform will generate for you for this class only, specifically for this class. So that is it. So let's attempt to record now. As you can see, this is a specialized Excel spreadsheet that was downloaded from your platform for Nursery 1, and you were trying to record by subject. As you can see from here, this is a school name, this is the education level, nursery school, the session is this, the term is this, the class is Nursery 1, the record type is subject, the subject there, we're dealing with Yoruba. As you can see, this information here is very crucial for nersapp and should not be tampered with except you know what you're doing, because nersapp would use this to understand this Excel spreadsheet to be able to filter or retrieve the records in this sheet. And you can see here, this is the grade sheet for Nursery 1. As you can see here, when you created this Excel sheet, nersapp didn't just create the sheet for Yoruba as a subject, it created also for other subjects in this class, like Ibibio is there, Fine Art is there, Into Science is there, Mathematics is there, the English is there. In the sheet name, you can look at it very well. nersapp tried to use the short name here, but on the sheet itself, the subject name, full name is written here. Like example, if you look at Into Science, this is Into Science short name, but in the record or in the sheet data, we have Integrated Science. So that's the usefulness of a short name for a subject. So let's deal with, say, mathematics. So we're going to switch to maths. Let's assume we want to upload just maths, but in your case here, you can upload for all the subjects in this class offline. When you're done, you start uploading online. So in our example here, let's attempt to upload for 2 subjects, say mathematics and integrated science. So we're going to start here. By the left hand side or by the right hand side, you'll see some notice information that are useful when you are going to go about this. It says here, in entering grade, cell score, that is each of these cell score can either be a positive number, 4-digit maximum, within the range of assessment exam colon. You can see this assessment is 30, so you ensure that whatever you enter here shouldn't go beyond 30. This colon is exam colon, and the max score there is 70, so the value here shouldn't go beyond 70. Or you can use the keyword ABS, which represent absent. Absent is more preferable than using the number 0. With ABS, we can know that this student scored 0 or was absent, that's why he scored 0. But if you just place 0 there, yeah, sometimes it may be problematic because nobody want to fail. And you can also use dash or hyphen, that is if the score is not available yet. For instance, you have test score but you don't have exam score yet. Or you can use asterisk. Asterisk means this student is not offering these subjects, so you have to use asterisk. Tell nersapp that, or tell your portal that. So these are the different values you can use. ABS, absent, student was absent from tests or exams. Dash, student score not available yet. Asterisk, asterisk means student does not offer subject and score a positive number, example 59, 93.7, and that's that. So let's just quickly add some values here. We're going to add, say, 20, 50, the next person 25, 55, the next person 30, 70. So we are doing for just 2 subjects. This example is to show you that nersapp can do multiple grade upload, which improve your work faster. So let's also do for this. So this one we have 22, 35, we have 30, 57, you have 25, 65. So we won't bother about the rest subjects. So let's save the work, Ctrl S. Let's go back to uploading our subjects. So now that we're here, assuming I refresh this page again, and we come here, we want to upload what we've done offline. Just have to pick the right class. You don't necessarily need to pick the subject in this case here, but you must be able to pick which mode. For instance, if the Excel work, the mode here, the record type is subject, you make sure that you are in subject mode. That's record by subject. If the record type was student, that means you must be in this record by student mode. So ensure that you are in the right mode. You don't necessarily need to pick the subject. You can just leave it here and come here, upload record. Click here to find the record. So in my case here, you see the record is already close by. So that is the record, I guess. So now that we've uploaded the record, if you look at it, the record has been uploaded successfully. It's on your platform now, but it needs you to start processing the data. So what you need to do is to close this environment, start picking the subjects. In this case now, we're dealing with maths, so we pick maths. Once we pick maths, your platform on nersapp would attempt to load the record that were loaded already. So in this case now, this was the record. You can even compare this information if it's exactly with what we had here. So you can see here, this 20, 50, 25, 55, 30, 70. You can see here 20, 50, 25, 55, 30, 70, and the whole thing is done for you. So all you need to do here is check it out. Is okay, approve the record, and save. Okay, so let's go again. Let's pick the next one was integrated science. So you can check it out again. 22, 35, 30, 57, 25, 65. So you can see the 22, 35, 30, 57, 25, 65. If it's okay and this is what you recorded, then please click here, save your work. So that's how to record from an offline perspective and upload on your platform later. You can also try other subjects. The only difference is that those fields were blank, so you'll also get blank feedbacks. If you allow it this way, you cannot record online because you are in upload mode. You are still here. So anytime you pick a subject now, it will attempt to load from that Excel sheet. Why? Because the Excel sheet is available here. So if you want to stop uploading from that Excel sheet or cancel the Excel sheet, you have to first come here and delete this record by clicking delete. Once you do this and close this, you are at liberty to pick a subject, then load it from the load button. That's how to record using an offline Excel spreadsheet via nersapp.